In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the transparency of an image in your presentation slides. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your slides. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to make sure the image you want to work with is already placed on your slide. If it's not there yet, go ahead and insert the image. You can do this by going to the Insert menu, then selecting Image, and choosing the source of your image. This may be from your computer, a URL, or another source available to you. Placing your image properly is crucial, as it serves as the foundation of your adjustments. Now, with your image on the slide, the next thing you need to do is select it. A simple click on the image should highlight it, indicating that it's ready for the next steps. This straightforward action allows you to access various options to customize your image to better fit your slide's layout and design needs. Once your image is selected, it's time to access the formatting options. Head over to the toolbar menu at the top of your screen. You want to click on Format, and from there, choose Format Options. Alternatively, you can simply right-click on the image itself and select Format Options from the context menu that appears. This route takes you directly to the settings you need to fine-tune your image. Upon doing this, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is packed with options, but for our purpose today, we'll be focusing on the Adjustments section. Here's where you'll find what you need to adjust the transparency of your image. Look for a slider labeled either Transparency or Opacity, depending on the version of your software. This slider is your key tool for changing how solid or see-through your image appears. By dragging the slider to the right, you make the image more transparent. This can create a subtle background effect where the image gently complements the slide's main content. Conversely, dragging the slider to the left will make the image more opaque and solid, which is effective if the image plays a central role in your presentation. Once you're satisfied with how the image looks, go ahead and close the sidebar. This final action tidies up your workspace, allowing you to see the changes in context with the rest of your slide. With this done, you can continue editing and enhancing your presentation, now equipped with the knowledge of how to adjust image transparency to your advantage. And there you have it. The straightforward yet detailed process of tweaking image transparency on your slides. With practice, this technique can become a staple in your presentation toolkit, helping you create visually striking and more engaging slideshows. Adjusting image transparency is not just about aesthetics. It's about improving the clarity and focus of your message, ensuring your audience stays engaged and informed.